Why can't I see my Snapchat story?
Hello everyone, this is a Hazel here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's get started.
Sometimes it may happen like you uploaded a story and everyone is able to view your story, but you yourself is not being able to see your own story. So in that case, what you have to do is first of all make sure to check that your internet connection is working well. After that, what you have to do is go to the Snapchat, tap and hold, and then tap on app information. Then you just have to go to the storage and make sure to clear cache and clear data. Clearing data will remove your login information, so you just have to log in again. After that, go to the Play Store and search for Snapchat and check it for updates. If any updates are available, you can simply tap on updates and update your Snapchat application, and this will help you fix your problem.
Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for now and I'll catch you in the next one.